Welcome to Gyaanstation. Here are the 17 principles, rules, from Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, which serve as guidelines for achieving success and financial prosperity. 1. Desire. The starting point of all achievement is a burning desire for a specific goal. Clear and intense desire acts as a motivator to turn dreams into reality. 2. Faith. Believing in yourself and your ability to succeed is crucial. Hill emphasizes faith as a state of mind that can be developed through positive affirmations and visualizations. 3. Autosuggestion. This involves using the power of repeated, positive affirmations to influence your subconscious mind, reinforcing your belief in your goals. 4. Specialized knowledge. General knowledge is not enough. You must gain specialized knowledge relevant to your goals, continuously learning and applying it to grow. 5. Imagination. Imagination is the workshop of the mind. Creative and practical imagination help turn your desires into tangible plans. 6. Organized planning. Success comes from careful, practical planning. Organize your steps, form a mastermind group, and work with clear strategies to reach your goals. 7. Decision. Successful people make decisions quickly and change them slowly, if at all. Indecision and procrastination are major obstacles to success. 8. Persistence. Persistence is key to overcoming obstacles. The ability to keep moving forward even in the face of challenges is essential for success. 9. The mastermind. Surround yourself with like-minded people, a mastermind group, who support and challenge you. Collective intelligence and efforts amplify individual success. 10. The subconscious mind. Feed your subconscious with positive thoughts, beliefs, and ideas. Your subconscious mind drives your behavior based on the dominant thoughts you focus on. 11. The brain. Hill believed that the brain is like a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. Mental conditioning and focusing your thoughts will help you attract success. 12. The sixth sense. The sixth sense refers to intuition, or an inner sense of knowing that guides you in decision making. Trusting your gut and inner voice can lead to breakthroughs. 13. Harnessing creative energy for success. By redirecting intense emotional energy into productive and creative pursuits, you can significantly enhance focus, drive, and innovation. This transformation of energy helps in achieving higher levels of success by channeling it into purposeful actions, boosting motivation and results. 14. The power of the mastermind. The power of association with a group of minds working in harmony can produce extraordinary outcomes. This amplifies both personal and collective success. 15. Overcoming fear. Hill discusses 6 basic fears: poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. Overcoming these fears is essential for achieving success. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content.